Hi guys, this is Mathematics. Let's start third topic of the chapter 2 of this book on right, which is studied in class 8. So watch the video till end so you get to know how to solve the questions of exercise 2D. Yes, exercise 2D, because the questions of exercise 2B and 2C are easy and you will be perfect in that question when you will understand exercise 2D. Before starting exercise 2D, I like to tell you 4 methods to solve simultaneous linear equations. So, first method is substitution method. Second is comparing method. Third is graphical method. And the fourth one is elimination method. You will get to know how to use these methods while doing exercise 2D, E and F. In exercise 2D, we would be solving simultaneous equations by graphical method. While graphical method means equation would be solved by the help of the graph paper. So let's begin the class. Below question is from exercise 2D, question number 1, part A. So question number 1 is, using the graphical method, solve each of the following pairs of simultaneous equations. So pair is this, okay. So equation 1 is 3x minus y is equals to 0, and equation 2 is 2x minus y is equals to 1. So first we will make the equation of y from both. Okay, so equation 1 is y is equals to 3x minus 0. You can understand that y would come here and then 0 would go there. So 3x minus 0 is equals to y. Okay, now equation 2 is y is equals to 2x minus 1, means y is went there and 1 went here, so 2x minus 1. Okay, now below solution is of exercise 2D question 1 part A. Okay, that pair. So in this first we will make this table. Okay, now you can take any imaginary value of x. So I am taking 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2. So as the equation was as we have made the equation of y, so we will put these values of x in that equation. So okay, so y is equals to 3x minus 0. This was the equation of y. Okay, so now y is equals to 3 multiplied by 1, because x value first one is 1 minus 0. Okay, now y is equals to 3 minus 0 and y came 3. Same with 2. Now y is equals to 3x minus 0, y is equals to 3 multiplied by minus 1 minus 0. Okay, now when 3 would be multiplied by minus 1, so answer would come minus 3, and minus 0, so answer is minus 3. Okay, now same happens with 3. Now y is equals to 3x minus 0. Okay, this was the equation. Now y is equals to 3 multiplied by 2 and then minus by 0, and then y is equals to 6, because 3 is multiplied by 2. Okay, now minus 0, y is equals to 6. Now same happens with 4. Y is equals to 3x minus 0. Y is equals to 3 multiplied by 1 minus 2 by and subtract by 0. So y came minus 6, because minus 6 is minus minus plus. Okay, and bigger sign is of 6, so which is minus. Okay, so that's why it's minus 6. Now we will put these y values to over here. Okay, now 3, because when we take 1 as x, the value came 3. Okay, now like this. Now this table is full. Now this equation 2, in equation, and as we have made the equation 2 also, which was y is equals to 2x minus 1. Okay, now these are imaginary values of x. Okay, now y is equals to 2 multiplied by 1 as here, and minus 1. Okay, now y is equals to 2 minus 1 means y 1, and then like happens with 2 also, y is equals to 2x minus 0 minus 1, y is equals to 2 multiplied by minus 1 and then minus 1. and then y is equals to minus 2 by minus 1 and minus minus plus. Okay, now minus 3. Okay, same with 3. Y is equals to 2x minus 1. Y is equals to 2 is multiplied by 2 minus 1, and then y is equals to 2 to the 4 minus 1, and then y is equals to 3. Okay, now same happens with 4. Y is equals to 2x minus 1, then y is equals to 2 multiplied by minus 2 by minus 1, and then y is equals to 2 minus 2 the minus 4, and then minus 1, and then answer came minus 5. So we will put these values over here. 1 was 1 and y was okay. Now we will make its graph. Okay, now as usual, we will put the values. I have given gap of 5 small boxes. Okay, now see 5 small boxes, same here, then here, then here. Okay, now we will put their values. You can put your also, and I have put this. Okay, this would be minus minus and then 0, then 2 2, then plus. Okay, same happens with y-axis, minus values then plus values. Okay, means negative then positive. Okay, so this is x-axis. Don't forget to make a scale. So on x-axis 5 small boxes is equals to 2. On y-axis 5 small boxes is equals to 2. You can see. Okay, now y-axis. Now we will put the values of equation 1. So x was 1 and 3, so we will put this value over here. It's coming here. Okay, you can see the dot. Then minus 1 and minus 3, here it's coming. There would be minus 1 and here is 3, that's why. Then this 2 and 5, and then this last minus 2 and minus 6. Now we will make a line connecting these dots. Now equation 2 table here, and now we will make the line of equation 2. So we will put these values 1 and 1, so it's coming here. Then minus 1 and minus 3, it's here, over here, or on this point, and then here 2 and 3. Okay, now minus 2 and minus 5. Okay, now this is done. Now this line came. This is the answer where both dots are coming, and the line is this. Okay, this is the line of equation 2 and this is a line of equation 1. Okay, so the answer is minus 1 and minus 3, means x value is minus 1 and y value is minus 3. Now you would be knowing how to do graphical method. Now you do exercise 1D, question 2, any 3 parts of your choice. Comment me your problem on graphical method. I would answer you as possible. Subscribe and press bell icon so you will not miss my next video of topic 4. Okay. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.